Sure, you make regular sugar cookies all the time, cut out sugar cookies, but these are chocolate cut out cookies. They're cut out cookies that hold their shape and they're super chocolatey. They're so good.
I'm whisking 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can use Dutch processed cocoa if you want. Then you're gonna cream together a cup of unsalted softened butter with 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Once that's all creamed and nice and fluffy, you're gonna mix in a large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You could also add some almond or some other flavor extract if you want. And once that's all mixed together, add those dry ingredients into the mixture and then mix it until it's nice and nice thick cookie dough. I like to press it out onto wax paper and roll it out before I chill it. It makes life so much easier if you do it between wax paper. It doesn't it won't stick, and you don't need to add any additional flour. Then you're going to chill this. You want to make sure and chill it, and then you're going to cut your cookie shapes.
Now, of course, the baking time for these will depend on how thick you make them and what size cookie you make, but be sure to don't over bake them because they'll get crunchy. If you keep them just at that sweet spot of just done, just lose that glossy sheen, they are nice and soft and perfect. These are great with my buttercream cookies frosting. These are great with just regular sugar cookie icing. I will link that below. You could use royal icing with this, or you could even use my chocolate royal icing. I will also link all of that below. These are so fun. Leave me a comment and let me know what shapes you're gonna make, and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.